This is a final video to fix Yuzu Android crashes, and it will save you a lot of time and frustration. Are you tired of Yuzu closing on your phone without warning? Many users face this problem because Yuzu needs specific settings and device resources to run smoothly. If your phone runs out of memory or the app settings are not right, it will just crash. Most solutions you find on YouTube or social media are confusing and take too many steps. But today on Rexist, I will show you a simple trick that makes Yuzu stable and stops it from crashing. This trick only takes a few taps, and you don't need any complicated tools. If you want, I can make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix Yuzu Android crashes. Comment below and let me know, so Rexist can guide you clearly. Follow this method, and Yuzu will run smooth every time.